I will pray, I will pray. I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. I will pray, I will pray, I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. Mark chapter 1 verse 35, the word of the Lord says, Now in the morning, having risen a long while before daylight, he went out and departed to a solitary place, and there he prayed. Jesus has modeled a pattern for us to emulate and to follow: prayer. Prayer is fellowship with God. Prayer is communion with God. Prayer goes to God as worship, but it goes to the enemy as warfare. We should embrace the spirit of prayer in all seasons of our life. Prayer should be like our daily bread, our daily food, something that we feed on so that our spirits, soul, and body can grow strong to be able to fight the things that come along our way, and to also to be able to live a victorious life. Jesus has demonstrated this. He has showed us and he has modeled a very simple yet powerful plan for us to follow in our daily walk with him. The Bible also says that we should carry our crosses daily and follow Jesus. So this is a call to action to follow Jesus daily in all our dealings. We should be able to find time in our busy schedules to dedicate it to prayer, because it is in the place of prayer that we are refreshed, we are revived, we are restored, we are renewed. Prayer is a weapon. Prayer draws us closer to God. Prayer reveals the heart of the Father unto our lives, and it's able to give us a sense of direction, a sense of guidance, a sense of belonging. We are able to become aware of the plans that God has in store for our lives through that simple yet powerful worship known as prayer. Embrace prayer in your day-to-day living to live a victorious life. God bless you.